Hello again, welcome back. We have got a collaboration tonight from Utopian Brewing. Got a few of theirs, very nice. And this is with the Bristol Beer Factory, which I haven't had any of theirs. And it's called Paradise Circus. It's a 5.2 ABV Altbier. So, what does it say? From the brewers. Paradise Circus pours a deep copper colour, fermented cool with the Bristol Beer Factory ale strain, and matured cold in Utopian's Lagering cellar. Liberally hopped with Tettnang and Spalt hops, this ale is super clean, nutty, and finishes with a crisp bitterness. Winter heaven. Get after this dream collab during the colder months. Well, I think it's about 20 centigrade today here, so not exactly winter. Anyway, Tettnanger is this noble all-purpose hop can be used for its bittering, aromatic, and finishing additions. Especially known for adding aroma and flavour, it brings mild, pleasant, floral, and slightly spicy notes to any brew. The Spalt, what does that say? Spalt is used primarily for aroma, but can be used for bittering and finishing additions. Its unique aroma differentiates it from Saaz and Tettnanger. Let's see how it pours. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Yeah, coppery. It's lovely colour. Bronzy, amber. We'll give it a wee bit ahead. There we go. I can smell it already. So the artwork on the can, I don't know who that represents. I think that might be hops on her dress. But it's a really nice design anyway. Man, I love that stuff. Right, anyway, let's have a wee look. Colour. It's clear. Dark. It's probably like a brown ale, dark, that kind of thing. Let's try a swirl. Oh, what am I getting there? There's a smell there I cannot define. It's familiar, but try to find the word for it. I'll come to that in a minute. It smells really fresh and clean and it smells delicious. Right, anyway, cheers my dears. Oh yeah, well, there's a wee bit of bitterness at the end there, which is pleasant. Well, that's very malty and nutty. And right, let's go through the tasting sheet from craftbeer.com. So the colour, it's probably a 25 or something. It's pretty dark. It's 20 to 25. The clarity is clear. The colour of foam head retention, none. Foam texture, thin. Carbonation, I can't see any. Oh, there is some. I'm going to say slow to medium. The aroma, alcohol. Yeah, there is actually. That's mild. The hops, like a herbal, it's fruity and a wee bit of citrus. There's something there, I don't know what it is. The esters is a bit like plum or something. Maybe pineapple-y, plummy. The alcohol taste, it's mild. Oh, that's nice, that. That's so rich and creamy and bursting with flavour. The hop flavour, I think I'm getting a bit fruity there, maybe. This is hard to define, this one. Is it piney a wee bit? Anyway. The malt flavour, it's like a biscuity, bready, caramel. I'm sure there's a bit pruny there as well. The esters, the taste, I'm marking the wrong bit. It's me sober. Hop bitterness is restrained, fairly restrained. The malt flavour, that's, there we go. So that is like a toasty, bready, caramel sort of a. The malt sweetness is low to medium. But it's definitely, at the back end, there's a sweetness there. Like a fruity sweetness, which is really nice. Astringency low. The body, the mouthfeel, you know, it starts off, it's like quite drying, but then it's coated like the back of my mouth. If that sounds. The length, it's probably up to 60 seconds, maybe just over. Balance and desirability, balance and drinkability, desirable. Style, appropriate. An Altbier. I have had one of these already. I'm trying to remember. Was it maybe in my Belgian case from Beer 52? Something like that. I'll put it in. But there is a malty smell to it. Like a caramel, candy floss, that's it. What do they call candy floss in America? Is it cinnamon, spun sugar, or something? What is it? I'll put that in as well if I can remember. Or you can tell me in the comments. I can't remember. Cotton wool candy? No. No, it's not that. Anyway, it's a really nice beer, and I'm going to give that 7.8 out of 100, not out of 10. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Scotland are about to play Croatia in what started a minute ago. Oh well. I'll have missed 3 or 4 goals by now. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Ooh.